Hello, my lovely friends. Today I'm sharing with you another bomb recipe that flushes all that bad fats, toxins, waste, boost your metabolism to burn fat so fast, improve your digestion, promote your healthy skin from the inside. Like there are so many benefits, and when you start drinking these, you will experience fast and quicker weight loss and belly fat loss. So what you need is slice your pineapple, get one pineapple and slice in 4 portions, and you need just 1/4, yeah, 1/4 of it. So this amount of pineapple, the middle part of the pineapple contains a very powerful enzyme, bromelain, which helps to do the job, the fat burning job, the breakdown of hardened toxins in your system. Yes. Second ingredient I use is cucumber. So I use half a cucumber. Cucumbers are very detoxifying. They support your system to detox itself, cleanse your liver, and leave it in good state to be able to break down those hardened waste build up fats in your system and flush them out for you. This is so powerful. Plus it is alkalizing to form a disease fighting barrier in your system. So that makes cucumbers one of the healthiest fruit vegetables you can ever think of. So the first thing you want to do is to put your half a cucumber in a blender. You add in the 1/4 the sliced pineapple in the blender. You go ahead and add in a cup of water. So add in a cup of water in there. This is very powerful. So once you add the 1 cup of water, the next thing you want to do is to blend this up. So you blend this up to get this very powerful cleansing juice out of this. Pineapple and cucumber, very powerful cleansing fruits to flush your system out. So this is how you get the juice out of this, and I'll share with you how to go about it. So once you get the juice, you want to squeeze the you want to or once you blend, rather, you want to squeeze out the juice, and don't throw the pulp. You can add the pulp in your breakfast smoothie. So you want to store it somewhere in your refrigerator and add in your smoothie, and or your dinner smoothie. Yeah, so this is it. Just make sure you get what we need is the juice, actually, because we are coming up with a very powerful detox fat burner. So, and it is water. It is supposed to be in watery form, not smoothie. So the next thing I add in here is lemon. I use everything. The peel of the lemon is very medicinal, very detoxifying, very cleansing. So I'm using everything, the benefits from the peel, and you want to wash your peel with baking soda, so you are eating very healthy fruit. So make sure you wash your lemon with baking soda so it is really clean and healthy for consumption. So you want to slice them up. That way you're getting the juice, the benefit from the juice and the peel, everything, because the peel, as I mentioned, it is very cleansing and very, very good for fat burning as well. So just slice up, and into sizes that can get into your bottle, and voila, this is it. Very good. It boosts metabolism, improve your digestion, promotes the breakdown of toxins and waste from your system. The next thing I add in here, which promotes digestion, promotes your system to easily flush hardened waste build up. So if you're constipated and bloated as well, this will be so powerful for you, because oranges help to soften your stool and have you poo all that bad stuff out. So will improve digestion, improve the breakdown of those hardened waste build up in your system, and you get to lose that weight and belly fat so fast. So yeah, this is it. Slice up, same thing as the lemon, in to desired sizes depending on the size of your bottle. The next thing I add is ginger, just a thumb size of it. Ginger, you want to get your ginger peel, wash thoroughly, and you grate out the ginger. Ginger is thermic. It heats up your system to burn fat. It boosts your metabolism, supports your system to flush out gases, sodiums, salts, all these bad stuffs. Boost your system, your metabolism, and you break down fats, waste from your system. Like, this is so good. It improves digestion as well, and very, very fat burning. It tantalizes all those hardened waste build up in your system, and you easily break them out and lose them. So this is the thumb size. You want to go ahead and add in a 1/4 cup of water. You go ahead and use your sieve to sieve out the juice from these. So this is it. I really wanted it concentrated on its own. That is why I do it this way. I really get it very powerful when I go this route. So this method to me is best. So this is it. You squeeze out the juice from your thumb size of ginger, and yeah. So the next thing now, I add in a little bit of apple cider vinegar for 2 reasons. Apple cider vinegar curbs your appetite, which is very important for weight loss. If you don't want to eat too much, you want to add apple cider vinegar in your drinks. It curbs your appetite. So plus it promotes fat burning. So what you want to do is to get your 2-liter bottle. You go ahead and start putting your ingredients in there. You put the 1 orange lemon. I add in some ice cubes so it is chilled. If you don't have these 2 liters, ask me and I will link you up on how to get. This is very important. It gets you drink your water a day. So this is it. I do some in the cup and as well as in the bottle, just so you know how to do it if you're using your cup. So just like put the ingredients all in your bottle, just a little of them in your little portions of them in the cup, and yeah. So as I mentioned, apple cider equally helps to flush out bacteria from your system, slowing down your metabolism, curbs your appetite, and you hardly feel like eating too much, which helps you and prevents you from eating, which leads to weight gain. A lot of eating, binge eating. So that is 1 tablespoon in the jar. In the bottle, 1 tablespoon, and this is half a teaspoon in the cup. So you want to go ahead and fill this up with water. This is good because it is not just a very fat burning detox recipe. It enables you drink your daily consumption. You have your daily consumption of water, plus nourish your system with the nutrients from these fruits. These fruits contain vitamins and minerals for the proper functioning of your system and good health. So this is it. Very powerful multi-purpose benefits you get from here. And yeah, so you want to shake up everything, so all the ingredients like get to one consistency, like like the baking soda you added, everything just mix, shake well, and so shake, and this is good. You drink this throughout the day and you come back and tell Risa. This will cleanse you up, promote the quick fat burning. You start drinking this and you experience fast weight loss. Like you'll be losing so much weight, belly fat out of this. And I love this when I do it for a week. I experience that real fat burning. Like this is me, this is a picture of me, even though I share a lot of my pictures on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Risa's Tips, just like YouTube. I share pictures there. That is a place to socialize, so I have more pictures there, but this is a picture of me with my tummy, a healthy body size, not necessarily being too skinny, but having that healthy body without that chunky belly and bad fats in my system. So you want to go ahead and try this out for like a week. Come back and tell me. You will love the results and you will experience that fat melt away and you have your body back all healthy and in shape. Yeah, so share this video with your family and friends, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and bye.